This is child's pose. So we are going to get on hands and knees to start. You're going to separate your knees, and I'm separating them to the width of this yoga mat that I'm on. The distance to which you separate your knees may be a little bit different. Maybe they're a little bit closer together, so feel free to try out different distances and see which feels the best on your body. And make sure that you bring your feet together in the back. And then when you're ready, you're gonna lower your hips down onto your feet as far as you can as you bring your chest down towards the ground, reaching out long in front of you and allowing your forehead to relax on the mat. And that is child's pose. A couple ways that we can modify this if that's not terribly comfortable for you. When you go to sit back onto your heels, you can put a pillow or two between your calves and your thighs, because sometimes some of us want to sit back and we just don't have the mobility yet, whether it's our knees limiting us or our hips, tightness in our back. So a way that you can support yourself a little bit more is just put a pillow or two right in here. Let's say that it's a really big challenge for you to allow your forehead to relax down onto the mat like so. You can put a pillow right here or a yoga block or just something underneath your forehead so that you can support your head and neck in this posture and still really get the nice benefit out of the stretch. And that is your child's pose.